Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix incorrect or misheard words in your Descript transcripts step by step. First, open your project in Descript. On the left side you'll see the full transcript of your video or audio file. Words that Descript is unsure about may appear in gray or with a dotted underline. To fix a single wrong word, simply click on it in the transcript and start typing the correct word. Descript will replace it and keep the audio unchanged. The change only affects the text, not your original recording. If Descript completely misheard a sentence, highlight the entire sentence by clicking and dragging across the words. Then type the correct sentence over it. The transcript updates instantly. To fix a speaker's name throughout the whole project, use the Find and Replace tool. Press Ctrl F on your keyboard or go to Edit in the top menu and select Find and Replace. Type the incorrect word in the Find box. Type the correct word in the Replace box. And click Replace All. For words like brand names or technical terms that Descript keeps getting wrong, train the AI. Highlight the correct version of the word in your transcript. Right-click on it and select Learn Spelling. Descript will remember this word for future transcriptions. If the entire transcript is very inaccurate, check your audio quality. Click on the audio file in your project and look at the waveform. If it's very low or distorted, your original recording needs improvement before you re-import it. Finally, you can manually adjust the timing of words. Click on any word in the transcript, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and drag the left or right edge of the word to adjust where it begins or ends in the audio. And that's it. You now know how to fix individual words, entire sentences, batch replace errors, train the AI, check audio quality, and adjust timing. If this improved your transcription accuracy, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.